Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
my name is Tinba.
How do you spell your name?
My name
How do you spell your name? T.
T H I A E N B A O.
How are you today?
I'm nine.
How are you? Are you happy?
I'm happy.
Okay, so now let's talk about here. So look at the children. They are from some countries. Billy is from USA. How about Kate and Ellie? Where are they from?
From Australia.
Okay. How about Olga? Where is she from?
Olga is from
Russia.
Russia.
Okay. Where is Akila from?
It is killer from Egypt.
How about Tom and Jack? Where are they from?
Tom and Jack from the UK.
Okay. So now, does he like playing chess?
Yes,
Do they like skateboarding?
they don't like skateboarding.
Does she likes fishing?
No, she doesn't like fishing.
Does he like playing volleyball?
Yes, he like playing volleyball.
Okay, so now look at picture 1. Can she turn on the TV?
Yeah, yeah. Can she turn on the TV?
Yes, she can.
Yes, she can.
Can she close the window?
Yes, she can.
Can he open the door?
Yes, he can.
Okay, now in picture 4, you can ask me question.
Yes, he can.
Can you ask me question?
Yes.
Okay, so now let's talk about your favorite season. I mean, seasons. How many seasons in a year? There are
There are
4.
4 seasons.
Okay, what's your favorite season?
My favorite season, summer.
Why do you like summer?
I like the beach.
Okay, you like going to the beach during summer. What are the things you don't like to do in the summer? I don't like
I don't like my homework.
homework. Okay. Now, what do you prefer doing? Skateboarding or playing computer games? I prefer.
No,
Which one do you like? Playing skateboarding or playing computer games?
no, I don't.
I like.
I like skateboarding.
Okay, thank you. That's all. Goodbye.
Goodbye.